Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to share files or folders in OneDrive on computer. So how to share files or folders in OneDrive on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. To share files or folders, first go to the folder, move the cursor to the left of the screen. Tap menu My Files. Now here, move the cursor to the file or folder to be shared. And tap right. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap Share. Now a menu like this will appear. Type the destination account here. Now and you can also add a message here. To set, tap here. Here there are two options, as you can just see, and can edit too. After finished, tap Share. Well, the file or folder sharing process is complete. So that's it, tutorial how to share files or folders in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.